Let's find out how I captured this incredible photo just using two lights and a simple technique to catch all the Smarties flying away. My name is Marco, I'm a professional photographer based in London. Here on my channel you can find lots of tutorials about photography. Please also have a look at my Italian channel where you can see videos with subtitles. There's lots of videos, more than 350. Don't forget also to subscribe to my channel. For today's tutorial I'll be relying on continuous light, because I need to capture a very fast burst. I'm using a Sony a7 IV, which can shoot about 10 frames per second. Let's analyze the setup. I attached a yellow cardboard sheet with duct tape between the table and a stand, without stretching it too much, to leave some useful centimeters to give momentum to the Smarties by hitting them from below. I cut a hole in the center that fits perfectly into another stand. This will be used to position the tube of Smarties without visible structure to retouch. I then mounted on stands with magic arms two different panels that I built using a leaf Intel and the structure from an old drying rack that will help me diffuse the hard light coming from the two LED continuous lights. On the right, I placed the Godox UL 150 at maximum power with a 20-degree honeycomb grid, allowing me to create a soft but not too flat light. On the left, there's a 60-watt LED panel with the barn doors mostly closed, acting as a secondary light to fill shadows generated by the primary light. I then mounted the camera, Sony a7 IV, on a C-stand in a zenith position to achieve a shot perfectly parallel to the shooting plane. As for the lens, I used a 24-70mm locked at 50mm. With some blue tack, I attached the tube of Smarties to the stand. I then emptied 4 packages onto the cardboard to have a nice presence of these flying. I shot in HEIF format, a mix between JPEG and RAW file, that allows me to capture images in 10-bit. With this format, I have the possibility to burst shoot at maximum speed of 10 frames per second on my Sony camera and do some minimal editing to improve light, color and contrast of the image, which is more limited on a simple JPEG. I'm shooting at 1/500 of a second, aperture at 5.6 so that the Smarties closest to the camera are out of focus, while the ISO is at 2000. Now comes the best part. A few moments before hitting from below with both hands, I started a continued burst using a remote controller, which I then stopped immediately after. I secured the central stand, holding it with my foot, because I knew it would move even with sandbags holding it down. With some good editing and retouching of the damaged Smarties, this is the final result. Very engaging and colorful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know down below in the comment your thoughts about this image, and also don't forget to hit the thumb up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Meanwhile, just keep creating good images. Ciao!